All right, what's going on, guys? I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. So, got something a little bit out of the ordinary today. I got trading USDJPY on July 30th. This is not. I actually didn't take this trade, but I do want to point out because it's very similar to the setups I use, just not in the same type of format, I guess you could say. Because if we look at, and this is going to be probably a very short video, by the way, if we look at this trade overall, we see a lot of consolidation here, but we do see a level held here. And this, if you were to break these up evenly, you could drop one leg and up arrow and another leg. So this would be the W. It'd basically be one leg kind of takes halfway. It comes, second leg, boom. And what we're looking for is this bounce off this yearly yearly low, excuse me, at 148, 151. So 148, 150, guys. And we do see that we're not getting in here on the cross. We're not getting in here. We're not getting in here, actually. We like what we'd want is a candle to be like literally like if it was like bouncing on this and it was like closing like still above here, like if it went up another, let's say it was double the length of this one, that's what we'd want. So we don't get in there. We're seeing support. We're seeing the bounce off the EMAs. It's perfect, especially when you got two EMAs. Like you see how this is like equilibrium here. These two EMAs, if you draw it, the candles are perfectly in the middle. That's what you want to see here in the market space when you're trading any pairs. But as we see here, we get that nice bounce and that support of liquidity. And then this candle further breaks from this, which is perfect because these are red candles. So you're seeing rejection there. You want to see the bullish movement. And so this is when you're going to get in. And look at this. You're going to get 15, 30, 45 minutes and you're up 40 pips. If you hold for an hour, you're up 50. I mean, it just doesn't get better than that, man. Like, I love trading. Like, I love this stuff, dude. Like, when you guys just notice that trading, you'll like when you start getting your pips, like you'll like enter in a trade and it'll be like 10 minutes and you're up like 10 pips, or or I mean I've my fastest record for like 20 pips I think was on like, oh god, I think this was like Euro USD, and it wasn't even news. It was literally a 3-minute trade and I think I got like 20 pips. No, it was like 2 minutes and 30 seconds or something. And it just goes to show, if you know what you're looking for in this market space, like you are going to dominate. And if you keep practicing over time, you're going to be successful, man. But this isn't a trade that I usually like. Obviously, I like using stop on boxes and just a little bit different stuff for ICT. But this would be, kind of that W pattern that kind of just stagnates. There's certain levels for ICT traders, what they use here. And this one would be at the bottom of the Asian to London session. So once it breaks out, that's when we're taking. And yeah, it is just an absolute melt show. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.